folks, I have great news. The U.S. Supreme Court just granted review in Olivier versus City of Brandon. Hi, I'm Hiram Sasser. I'm one of the lawyers here at First Liberty. This is a great case about somebody trying to share the gospel out in the public square. Just like Peter and Paul from the Bible, just sharing the gospel. And of course, like Peter and Paul, he was arrested. But he ended up just getting a ticket, paying his fine, and moving on. But what the court said was that, hey, when you do that, when you just pay your fine, you're not allowed to actually challenge the ordinance as being unconstitutional under which you were arrested. Well, this turns the law on its head. I mean, this is the government saying, you know, heads we win and tails you lose. You have to be harmed by a law in order to challenge it. But if you just pay the fine and move on, you lose your right to challenge it. And that doesn't make any sense at all. Our Constitution is much more powerful than that. Our founders wrote the Constitution in a way to protect free exercise and free speech, and to make sure that if the government infringes upon our ability to share the gospel, we get to test that law against what the founders said in the Constitution to decide whether or not that law should stand under the Constitution. But unfortunately, what the court said here is that, I'm sorry, but you're not going to be able to challenge that law now. So we're going to ask the Supreme Court to fix this injustice and make sure that the Constitution applies whenever people are sharing their faith in the way that our founders intended.